What we fight against every day in TAMIR and what we advocate against every day in TAMIR is our people being marginalized. If anybody watching this show gets the impression that they're being marginalized in this show, that metaphor is a killer. It's completely anathema to what we stand for.
This particular musical is a challenge. It's being done in a large space that holds 1,000 people.
The focus right now is more on trying to put the show up as opposed to trying to make sure everybody's integrated, which is sort of like where I'm coming from. But hopefully that will start happening a lot more now that we are going to be in rehearsals together a lot more.
This is the best time I've had in my whole life. Thank you very much.
Jason.
And it's Lou. I'm a lady. Things she didn't even think she could do, she's learned.
Yeah. And me, and also envy myself.
Yeah.
Do I just say like this?
Yeah.
No.
Go talk to Patsy.
Yeah, we're good. Can you grab a couple minutes?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
The show is dominated by community people, and there isn't enough parts, enough prominent roles.
Can't change anything now, it's too late.
Sorry, it was not supposed to be a talent show.
I'm leaving
It's
now.
not supposed. It was
Hold on
not.
a second. Hold on a second. Don't take it now.
Emoting beautifully.
I know.
Yeah. Okay, up there. Okay. And be ready to go on.
The TAMIR people are meeting the community, and the community is meeting the TAMIR, and they're starting to bond and get like friendships and a lot of trust, which the trust is huge. The more you spend time with the people, the more you realize that they can do, and the more that you grow with them.
The play is a dream. It's a dream. It's a dream coat. A beautiful dream coat.
You don't know what you can do unless you really try. And boy, this is a dream come true.
You are what you feel. But all that I say can be told another way. In the story of a boy whose dream came true, and it could be you.
People do not realize what it's like to have a disability because it's a different challenge every day.
They treated me at work like a nobody, like an outcast, and they pushed me away.
I got teased, I got beat up as a kid. I mean, kids when I went to school couldn't accept me because I'm different.
Really good employee here. You know, I really like Marco. He keeps his staff, happy in a positive mood. You know, he comes in every single day, 9 a.m. in the morning, from 5 days a week, and he comes in, he does his work. Like we rely on Marco in the morning.
Eddie, whether it's raining, whether it's snowing, if he has a job to do, he wants to do it. So commitment and also dedication is something that we would all learn from Eddie.
Mike is an artist, and he will tell you that, and he's very, very proud of that fact.
I love art because it makes my worry go away. I like to be more than a painter. I like to be teaching art. I need someone to love. I want someone to love.
The beauty is that we are not the same. So we're not talking about abilities or disabilities here. We're talking about individuality.
Everyone has a precious contribution to make, a contribution that ought to be treasured and respected.
We are fairly good practicing Muslims, and we are part of community groups. Sasha, because he's our son, he's there everywhere.
I like the fact that he's in the community and people kind of see him and know that he's around and know that there are people out there who exist like this and they're not that much different.
I want to thank the community, the Jewish community. This is about community. The synagogue is community. The synagogue attracts community, and the synagogue invited this special community to be part of them, and we can all learn from these kids and be part of their community too.